me? Hey guys, we've got some good news for you. We've got 100 subscribers. That's right, 100 people watching this channel now. And to celebrate, guess what? We're getting another XF Ute! Yes! That's right, we're going to pick it up right now. It's about 2.5 hours from Perth City. We got a car trailer from my work and we're about halfway there. And man, we're picking up another XF pig. And it's all happening. It's all happening, folks. Come on, get behind us. Get with the cause. You know, we're doing good things here.
Another pig crew. Is it even piggier than something else? Oh boy. Absolute cactus. We got it.
Yeah, we got it, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Parts car.
Some sort of combine tractor, something. Lots of farm equipment. The natural habitat of a true XF falcon, right?
It's where you got to go to these places.
This is where they're born.
I think we had a good idea about moving the bag.
Yeah.
We loaded it on and
Yeah, that's
the
right.
farm was like, no, take it back in the trailer. So
Yeah, so there were actual weights on the back of the tyres or the wheels of the trailer.
Not on this car, which
Yeah.
this car's not designed to take weight. It's basically a sports car with a tray.
Sports car with a tray.
It's not a real ute this year.
What does it feel like? Is it okay? Or for now?
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, you know, the Barra's got no shortage of power. It's not a power issue, it's more of a
Yeah, the stability.
stability, you know. Probably, even with this car on, you could probably still get to like 120.
So this town's called Corrigan.
Corrigan, WA, about 2.5 hours out.
It's about 180 kilometres out of Perth.
Yeah, something like that, maybe 200. I mean, yeah, I think it's over 200.
Yeah.
But yeah, just on the family farm, and
This is their driveway.
this is their driveway, you know.
It goes for about 5 kilometres.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, just a young kid on the farm, and he was sort of had his way with the car and parked it up. Didn't have enough sense to put a black plastic bag over the carburetor.
No, not at all.
So okay, the motor has got water in it and it's seized up. I couldn't turn the crank by hand, but it's got a racing manifold and like a pretty decent big size Holley carburetor. And it's got extractors too, so it's kind of got some go fast bits on it. I'd be kind of keen to take the cam out and have a look if it's got a lumbar cam on it or not.
We didn't ask that, did we? But
No, I don't think.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we can clean up those extractors a little bit, and
Yeah.
obviously get the carburetor going.
Yeah. I mean, my only concern if we end up using that carb is the amount of fuel that thing will suck.
Yes.
It's going to be astronomical.
Yes.
Basically, it's like a quadrajet, like V8 carb on the 4.6.
And it might make probably 3 kilowatts more power.
Yeah,
Five more horsepower.
But I think because it's a Holley mount, we can put a smaller Holley on, like a Holley 350.
Oh yeah.
You know, like just a double barrel.
Yeah.
Is that clear there?
Yeah, clear. Oh wow.
But you know, like the manifold can take a Holy sort of bolt pattern.
Yeah, so you can put some other
Yeah, Holy 350 I reckon would be a better one. Like a
350.
yeah, like just a twin barrel Holy, not a four barrel. It's sort of four
Or
barrel.
what's this one? What did it?
Full barrel. Like,
4 barrel.
I don't know what it is. Maybe Holy 600 or something
Jeez.
like that.
It doesn't need a 600.
It doesn't need a 600.
No.
No. But the manifold, like you know,
Yeah,
we'll have a look.
yeah, that's right.
What the hell did you buy?
Oh no, you bought this. This is
Me?
yours. This is yours.
This is yours.
This is my doing.
I've got my. This is supposed to be yours.
We can race these together then.
Yeah. What is this thing?
I don't know. What did we buy?
Look at the size of this car. Like it's absolutely massive. Like it's like a car before a V8. Like 4 barrels. Do you really need 4 barrels for a 6-cylinder?
Probably not.
These farm boys had their way with it, didn't they?
Sure did.
What year is it? Oh. It's driving. Oh, cruising on 90 k's.
90 k's an hour.
Towing this thing.
Don't really want to go too much faster than that.
Yeah. So we've got some kind of rims. 15s.
16-inch on the back.
16s on the back, 15s.
How on earth did they fit this on the back? Who knows?
Yeah.
Oh, look how close it is to the guard here.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yep. That is the limit.
Mhm.
And the wheels hold on with 2 lug nuts.
Of course.
That's my favourite.
That's great. Yep.
But the body of this is better than the one that we.
Well, this one didn't come with a hole right here. Remember?
There's no hole there, and
No.
look, there's no hole here, and there's no hole here. We had to patch all this shit. Still better than our wrist, bro.
Still. Hey, don't knock ours.
But there's no like rust here. Like it is rough, but it's not. It's actually not as rough as our shell. And I mean, ours was all like rusted the other side here.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one's not. So this is actually the better shell.
Oh god.
Yeah. Well, there you go, folks. Little parts car.
The first thing I put out, the bug came on it.